Hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm back today with a small haul video. Got a few things from Amazon, and we went to the Savers thrift store today. Purple tags were 50% off at Savers. But of course, nothing I purchased was 50% off. I didn't have any purple tags. But it did have a $3 coupon. If you spend $10, you get $3 off. So, I was talking to Greg too about it. I think Savers is going to put Goodwill to shame, because they do have discounts that are so awesome. Like if you donate something, you get a 20% discount coupon, and then they occasionally give you a coupon if you do a survey on their on your store visit. And then they often run specials, like today they had 50% off of purple tag. So I think they would just give Goodwill a run for their money. Here in California, Goodwill is very overpriced, extremely. You cannot get anything hardly less than $9.99 at our Goodwill. It's just very overpriced. So let's start with the Amazon things. As I moved my craft space around, Greg and I moved some of my shelves and stuff, so we have some holes on the wall that we need to fill in, and his spackling or drywall compound was very dried out, so I ordered him one off of Amazon. I think it was about $5, and it's called the DryDex by DAP. Goes on pink, and then it dries white, won't shrink or crack, patch and prime in one step. So that's good, and I think it was about $5. And then we were out of our toothbrush replacement heads, and we just get the generic version. They just come in a little package like this for our Oral-B electric toothbrushes. We change ours every 3 months. So this was a pack, I think, of 10. And I think it was $9.99. But I will link everything from Amazon down below in the description, as I usually do. This is, I saw it on Instagram. I don't think it was this brand, but it was a very similar brand. It is hair removal cream, gentle and safe, effective and lasting, painless and smooth. I'm going to try it. Back in the day, we used to use like Nair or Zeet. This you can do on your legs, your underarms, your bikini area. You just have to soften the hair with a hot towel, then apply the appropriate amount, and then wipe it off in the opposite direction after 8 to 10 minutes. With clean water. This is for sensitive skin, because hair removal things can be so harsh. And I read the reviews, they're really good. So you get 5.07 fluid ounces. I'm going to give that a try, and I'm hoping it doesn't stink. I don't know if you remember like what Nair smells like. Zeet, which I use like on my face, but is extremely harsh, I think. This you cannot use on your face for whatever reason, even though it's for sensitive skin. And so I won't use it on my face. I guess I'll still keep using the harsh Zeet on my face. But I just wanted to see what this smells like. A lot of people on the review said it did not smell bad, but then some of them said that it smells like Nair. So you get a big tube of it. Let's see what it smells like. It smells a little bit like the Nair, but definitely not as strong. So we'll give that a try, and I'll let you know how it works. So I got that. And then this is a repurchase. It is the Fiera Luxury Concealer in the color Neutral Beige. This is the concealer I use. It was $18, $19, but then I had a $1 coupon. And this is like the 3rd time I've ordered it because it works so well, and it just takes a very tiny bit, but it doesn't cake into those creases and lines. So I picked that up. Then this is Summer's Eve Refresher Blissful Escape. And it comes with 300 sprays. On the go freshness. So we'll give that a try. I never tried that. And then I've never tried this, but I've heard really good things about it. I also saw it on Instagram. It's called MARÉE or MARÉE. It's healthy hair starts here. It's a new improved formula. It has keratin and vitamins, superfood hair complex for all hair types, professional formula, 30 leave-in serum capsules. So you wash your hair, then you towel dry your hair, and then you put this in your hair and leave it on. My hair, since I am perimenopausal, has been, it is so thin. I've never had thin hair. And so I'm looking for, this is supposed to help, like, make your hair healthy, which, if my hair would stop shedding, that would be nice. It says it's a floral scent. Directions in there. Let's look. Oh, they're bigger capsules. I was afraid it wouldn't be enough. But, oh, there we go. So you get a capsule like this, little blue sparkly. And you put it on after you wash your hair and then towel dry it. And you get 30 of these. Leave-in serum capsules. I wonder if you're supposed to use one every day. Leaving your hair to dry, you can dissolve the biodegradable capsule in hot water. Well, I'll just throw the capsule away. But I will have to, you're supposed to evenly distribute it, starting at the mid-length and working towards the end. So hopefully it will make my hair stronger. Since it has the keratin and the vitamins A, E, B5. But I'll have to get online and see if I'm supposed to use it every day or not. I might just start out using it every day. Oh, and then I got the probiotics, the seed. If you haven't heard about the seed, the probiotics I've been using are not working. They don't make me feel better. So when I researched probiotics, seed says that most probiotics, if they're in a capsule, and they will go through your digestive system and they will dissolve in your stomach, and they do not make it, the live probiotics don't make it to your colon. So they have a capsule inside of a capsule, and the first capsule has the things that you need for your gut health. Then the second capsule makes it all the way to your colon, and so it's supposed to be better. I'll let you know. I started taking them today, and I'll let you know how they work. You're supposed to take 1 capsule the first 3 days, and then you start taking 2 capsules. So we'll see how they work, and I'll let you know. And then the things that I got from Savers, the first thing I got was this little grab bag, which was $5.99. Kind of crafter's grab bag. So I got all of these, just a variety of kind of scrapbook paper, cardstock, in all different colors. So definitely can use these. For card bases or whatever. So I got that. Then I got this cling stamp, 2-piece. It says wild and free, and then make your own magic with the little girl there. I got some holographic summer stickers. And then this is some dimensional stickers. They are for like scrapbooking for, they say bride, groom, father of the bride, mother of the groom, all those. Here is some more wedding stickers, so when I make wedding cards, those will be nice. And then these are some acrylic, I do believe, epoxy Disney stickers. So you get all the little Disney characters. So totally worth it, I think, for $5.99. Getting all of these. And then, as I told you, I have been rearranging my craft space. I picked up this little crate, and my plan for this is to set it like this and hang it on the wall this way. And then I will set these little cups, which I got for $3.99, here. And I will put rubber bands, paper clips, clamps, just some crafty things that go in there, but this will sit on the wall like that. I don't know if I'm going to paint it or not. I'm not sure. I kind of want to stain it maybe. And I have some stain coming tomorrow from Amazon. Just some like samples. But there's like 4 or 5 different stain colors. So I may try to stain it. I think this was $4.99. And then for the set of these, they were $3.99. And they're just little freezer oven safe microwave little bowls that you could eat out of, but I'm going to use them for paper clips and such. So that is my little haul from Savers and from Amazon, and I will put everything linked down below in the description for you. Let's see, what else did we do today? We did a lot of, because it's June 1st when I'm recording this, we did a lot of our once a month cleaning / habits that we have. Like once a month we use a cleaning tablet on the washer and we clean our washer. We clean our Keurig once a month. I change my wax melts once a month. I condition our leather chairs once a month. Greg will rinse the air conditioner filter and get it all clean once a month. And then I also, did I say condition our leather? Oh, I also put a new air freshener, Drift air freshener, on the magnet in my car, which the Drift lasts all month long. So that is really nice. And I was using Bath & Body Works little ones, the little discs, but they don't last all month. But the Drift lasts all month, and I just get a subscription. They send you, it's like $10, and they just automatically send you the scent of the month. So I will put all the links down below. I hope everyone has a wonderful day. If you have habits or cleaning tasks that you do each month, please list them down below. Maybe there's something that I am forgetting that I should be doing every month. Plus I'm kind of nosy like that, so. But I hope everyone has a wonderful day, and I'll be back soon with another crafty, planner, or beauty video.